Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to talk about over $8 million worth of grant funds and the different ways you can go about getting grants for women. So in this video, you're going to get a bunch of information on how to get business grants as a woman entrepreneur or business owner. So if you're interested in seeing more videos about business grants, business funding, business credit, and personal credit, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, I am doing a Cash App giveaway. Make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username. Also, if you have any questions regarding business grants, comment that down below in the comment section as well. Make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable. So the first website that we're going to look at is usgrants.org. So this particular website has a lot of different grants available for different types of businesses and different types of reasons. So right now we're on the government grants for women section, and there are different grants that you can get for different reasons. This just lists some of the recent grant opportunities. You do have to sign up for an account to see all the other grants that they have available. So you can get grants also for nonprofit organizations. Here are some of the grants that they have listed on their website as of July 2nd, 2022. This site does have millions of dollars worth of grant opportunities available, even for different types of businesses. Again, like I said, you go to funding categories. Also, this is not just for women. Like I said, it's for all different types of reasons. They also have information about housing grants, Pell grants, college grants. So if you click on small business grants, you'll be able to see some of the recent small business grant opportunities available all across the country. So this is website number one. Another website is grantsforwomen.org. This is specifically for women. It has a huge library of grants and scholarships for women, including women entrepreneurs. You can get venture capital funds here. There's all types of programs here on this website. So what you'll do is you'll click opportunities and you'll be able to see the different programs. If you click A to B, you'll see all of the different programs that start with A all the way up to B, and you'll see like some of the funding amounts. They will list the funding amounts that they give out. Sometimes it does vary. Some of these programs do not have a specific cap that you can get. You just have to tell them exactly what type of funding that you need, how much money you need for some of these grants, and they'll approve you based off of your request, based off of how much money you are requesting and your expenses. You have to tell them why you need the funding, of course, and all of that. I will have a link to a business grant proposal template that you can actually fill out. I have a lot of people ask, how do you fill out business proposals or business grant proposals? How do you fill out the applications? We have assistance coming for the application assistance pretty soon, but I do have a free template in the description that I have found for you to be able to write your business grant proposals. Okay, the second, or the actually third website this is actually the application. So the original company is eatokra.com. This is a Black-owned company. They are giving out $10,000 business grants. So this is a business grant for Black women in food. So Black women entrepreneurs who operate brick and mortar restaurants are able to get $10,000 business grants for their business. Your company has to be at least 50% owned by you, the Black woman, if you are applying for this particular grant. The restaurant has to be located in the United States. You have to own 3 restaurants or less, employ less than 50 employees per location, be open for at least 6 months, but no longer than 5 years. Also, you will need to have these documents for your application. You need to have your profit and loss statement for 2021. And so this is the form that you're going to fill out. I will leave all links to the different grants and forms in the description, as well as the link to the grant proposal template that you can use with your applications. So the next grant program is a pretty popular grant program for all women. It is the Amber Grant. I first found this company back in 2020. I talked about it a few times. So they do $10,000 grants every single month. And this grant is particularly sponsored by Women's Net. And so they give away at least $30,000 every single month to different women entrepreneurs. The grants are about $10,000 a piece. And then they also give away $25,000 grants at the end of the year. They announce the grant winners on the following month, in the following month on the 23rd. So if you win for July, they will announce you as the winner in August on the 23rd. Now, the last grant program is a really, really big grant program that has secured over $8 million in corporate grants to pay it forward to the members of iFund Women. So iFund Women has a ton of different opportunities throughout the year for women entrepreneurs. They also have a crowdfunding program as well, or a funding campaign that you can set up for your company to raise funds for your company as well on their website. This particular grant program is called the Universal Grant Program, though. So this is their main website. If you scroll down and click on apply for grants, you can see some of the different grant opportunities for women. There are different grant opportunities that are sponsored by different big name companies like Visa, Caress, and you can come and apply for these different grants. So here is the iFund Women Universal Grant application. You can click here to apply on the apply now button. This is the application is on a job form. Make sure that you have all of your information ready to go because you cannot save and come back. This application is not for a specific grant on their website. This is actually for you to apply and get in their database to see which grants you actually qualify for. They also have a grant planner spreadsheet, which is available on Google Sheets. You can come here and track all the different grants that you have applied for and the grants that you plan on applying for. And you can download this by clicking right here where it says download our grant planner.